Okay, never mind. Fine, fine. Go, 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 go!
There's guys right around this corner.
Good Lord.
I know. Oh, what? Got him. Tango down.
Oh, hit. Got me. Good shot.
Got him. Tango down. Oh, okay. Guy right there. Oh. Woo. Got me. Good shot, man. Good stuff. Good stuff.
You could have saved that one because I was coming.
That was spooky. Right behind you, buddy.
I got no idea.
Nice. Very nice. Go. Bang, bang. Oh, no, they're already dead. Parlay. There you go. Get down, get down, get down, get down.
It's hot up here, bro.
Bang, bang! Hey, you're, damn, good shot, good shot. Woo, ow.
Full auto, basically.
Where? They're shooting full auto?
They're hair.
Oh, yeah, well,
Nothing you do, but then his overshoot like hell.
yeah. Yeah.
Hey, can you help us over there? There's a bunch of these stands over there.
Guys, watch out. All right, follow me, okay? Let's go. Let's go. Oh, got me. Good stuff. Good luck. Oh, shoot. He's okay. He's right around that corner, Brian. Check. He was right here. Alright, I'm going in. Oh, okay. Yep, I'm dead. I'm dead. You got me. My life just flashed before my eyes. My life just flashed before my eyes. Guys, they're on that. We gotta push that side. Oh. Huh? Wait, what? Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. That's a fun turn of events. Go, 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 go. Okay. Yeah. Brian, can you tell me, hold on. Are the numbers yellow or red?
It's red. It's flashing.
Is it yellow?
It's yellow and red. It's like flashing.
Alright, hey guys, just a few quick things here. I know it's been a while since I posted. I've been pretty busy with work and stuff. This footage is from March. I know it's old, but like I said, I've been pretty busy. But I have good footage from Operation Bad Blood on the way. If you don't know what that is, I have videos from last year's Bad Blood on my channel. You can check that out. Also, this guy you're seeing over and over again in my video is my friend Brian. He and I are starting an airsoft team with some friends, and so if you see my call sign change from Bishop, you know why. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye.